What up, YouTube and all my Riker riders out there? Got some simple installations today. We're gonna do a little bit of modifications, cheap, for the Can Am Ryker. Trying something a little different. Want to just switch things up a bit. So check out the video. Quick hack I found for $9 on Amazon. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it. So here's your license plate mount, and it's low, it gets dirty all the time. So I want to mount it up here. I want to mount it up here, a little bit away from the fender so it doesn't bounce and hit my fender. And I just think it's a cooler look. So I'm going to use that little mount that I bought for $8 and relocate the license plate. So this thing I bought from Amazon, link will be below. They probably got better ones. I just wanted to try something real easy, so I didn't spend a lot of money on it. I noticed that I had to drill a hole just to line it up, because under the max mount, if I could show you, let me flip this over. So you should have two screw holes up there. And that's what I'm gonna mount the bracket to have the license plate on it. So I'm gonna mount that up and then show you guys what it looks like. So I drilled a little hole because it was a little offset. The holes were a little closer than I underestimated. But like I said, this bracket was $8. I could care less what I do to it. It's just a practice thing. So let me put it in, and I'll show you what it looks like. So right under here I have the plate mounted, and up under there is the screw. I'm gonna tighten it up. So I use those two screw holes from your max mount, tightened it up, and then I'm gonna have the plate here. Plate swings a little bit, but I'm gonna fix that and tighten it up. Like I said, it was cheap. Let me tighten it up, and that's it. And we'll see how it looks from a distance. So what do you think? This is about 5 feet. And let's roll back. You see we're about 7 feet. I'm gonna add a light up license plate frame to where the old license plate used to be. That's gonna be the next add-on right now. So I relocated the license plate on the bike. Now I ordered this. So this lights up. It's a license plate frame that actually lights up. So we're gonna hook it up. Actually, you could use it also as a brake light. I don't know if I'm gonna hook it up as a brake light. I might try. I don't know if I really care for that to be a brake light, but we're gonna install it and see what it looks like. Also, this will be the description will be in the link below for this item. But let's see how it looks. Since we already got the plate off, we got to take off the top cover there. So let's do that now. Okay, so took off the one screw, popped off the cover that shows you the underneath of the tail lights. I think I'm gonna tap it directly into the license plate light, because I think it looks a little cooler. Like I said, I don't really care if it lights up when I hit the brakes, but just having it light up period I think will look nice. So I'm gonna attach it to the positive and negative that come from the brake light, from the license plate light right here. So in there where the license plate light lights up, the little light, I hooked the red and the positive and the negative there, and connected it up to the other piece. Now I'm going to bolt this on and light up the license plate. Oops. Let's see what it looks like. We turned it on. Not that bright, but it looks cool. I might put the word stop in there for some strange reason. Maybe I'll do something like that. So that's it. Light up license plate frame. And license plate relocation. Right, so that's it. That's the fun I had today at the Riker garage. Real simple installations. 1, 2, 3. Just trying some hacks out. Ride safe, everybody.